At preparing your ingredients, I'm just gonna show my little wheat glass. Okay, well I'm just showing my wheatgrass still. So
Then
okay.
I'm gonna take some mango and add some mango. Whoa, just enough. That's a good enough. You just want to put in as much mango as you like. Then I'm gonna take this spinach, and it's very cold and very frozen. It's hard to open this with one hand, but here we go. You just want to stick your hand in and whoa, this feels very icky, but it's really good for you. A lot of nice iron in there.
Ew, I don't know, man. You keep describing it like it's slop. I don't know.
Yeah, it's good. I'm
It's
gonna
very
pop this in
icky,
the.
but it's good for you. I'm like, ooh.
I'm
I'm just
gonna pop.
imagining all this grody, slivery.
It's fine.
Anyway.
All right, so now you've got the start of a very delicious smoothie. I'm gonna get that. Now next you add in a little pineapple juice, but you want to make sure you shake it up because this is so natural that it could, you know, the sediments settle at the bottom. You add a little.
I'm gonna put a little rum in there.
Oh wow! Wasn't planning on it, but you know.
I'm just saying. You could, I mean, maybe for a variation, for a summer day variation.
You definitely could if you're trying to get a little loosey. Next, you add some chia seeds, my favorite part.
I love sweet bam.
And then I like to add some unsweetened coconut flakes for a little pina colada type flair, as I was mentioning earlier. As many as you want, but there you go.
And okay, are you gonna do a little shake up and a little zoom in, or?
Yeah, so I'm zooming in now. And then I'm just gonna pop this on. It's really hard to record and also, you know.
Well, that's fine. Before she turns on the blender, guys, we just want to say thanks for watching, as always.
Definitely.
Thanks for tuning in, showing support.
We appreciate all of our viewers.
All the hundreds of viewers.
I was going to say, and congratulations to you and I, because we just reached 1,000 viewers on Instagram.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, I'm like, okay, maybe 10.
Okay, I'm going to turn this up and blend.
Thanks, guys. Right, I'm logging on. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hey, all the greens, 312. I'm, okay. Huh? Okay, so I'm gonna stop my tape and then I'm gonna just, you can take a quick sip.
All right, now that it's all blended up, it's time to take a sip. Yum. Lots of greens, all the greens. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. All right. Wow. That is really good. It's so delicious. I wish you could try it. It's definitely refreshing. It's very smooth, even though it's dairy-free. You don't need any yogurt or milk or cream or, you know, sweetened condensed milk to make this smoothie. it's really just,
Would you say you're anti-dairy, or you're saying you're just like pro-fruit?
Sometimes dairy can really make you sluggish and slow you down. Sometimes I will consume dairy, but I try to avoid it when I can. And smoothies like this allow you to do that. So enjoy, drink up.
Okay, great, thanks. You're signing off, or? Alrighty.
All right, well, I think that does it for me here. I guess we'll tune in next time. What's going to be on the stove then?
I mean, we'll see.
All right. Sounds like we need to do a little more planning, but looking forward to chatting with my exotique gourmet girl sometime soon. So until then,
Thanks.
catch you later.
Catch you later.
Bye-bye.